Chris Menard here with good news and bad news. What do you want to hear first? I heard you say you wanted to hear the good news. Usually I hear people say the bad news. Okay, I have got the new Microsoft Copilot Chat. This is a licensed version I'm in. You can tell because one, it says Work IQ up here in the top, and I've got auto. Here are my different models here, and this is the new look that soon everyone will have, including people that are on a business or an enterprise license with the free version. If you have the free version, you're not going to see Work IQ. So that's the good news. More good news is over here in the far right, just 2 days ago, and today's June 27th. I happened to notice I had the word upgrade. I clicked on upgrade, it closed, it launched back, and I have this option to toggle and go back to work and web. So now here's my work and web. Work IQ has disappeared from my screen. My different models to pick from is still back over to the right instead of being back over to the left. But the big deal is work and web is back. I go and toggle back. Now I'm in the new look. One item I do like the Microsoft did is when you hit that toggle switch, it doesn't close Copilot and have to relaunch it. It just does it immediately. Now, the bad news, if you're saying, Chris, I actually prefer the work and web, and I don't care about seeing Work IQ. I don't care for it with my paid license. I have been told, but I haven't been given a definitive date, that this is just temporary, that pretty soon you're not going to see work and web at all. And this toggle that I'm using is not even going to be here, that pretty soon everyone is going to be stuck in this screen right here. I happen to like it myself. Let me know if you like seeing Work IQ. I actually love the way this works. I feel like it's faster for me. I've had other coworkers say they don't like it as much, but I'm enjoying Work IQ. But I'm letting you know this toggle's here, but I've been told that this toggle will not always be here. Anyway, let me know your preference. Have a wonderful day.